Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking the headset model and firmware, because controls differ by device. Next, create or confirm a parent account and set a strong password. Enable two-factor authentication to protect settings. Once done, turn on device-level protections. Set a PIN and create a dedicated child or guest profile. These steps lock the settings and separate saved content. You want parental controls applied to the child profile, not your main account. You now configure app-level restrictions. Open the VR store and apps, set age ratings, and enable content filters so inappropriate titles are hidden. Then restrict purchases by requiring your PIN for transactions, disable guest buying, and set a spending cap if supported. After that, define playtime rules, daily limits, allowed hours, and maximum session lengths to control exposure. These controls combine to prevent unsuitable content. You finish by testing everything on the child profile. Attempt to access blocked content, try to buy something, and confirm time limits kick in. Make sure activity reports or usage logs are enabled so you can monitor remotely. Install a management app on your phone if available. If something fails, reboot the headset, update firmware, and re-enter the PIN. If problems persist, reset the child profile or contact vendor support. A primary troubleshooting tip: always verify firmware and parental settings after updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.